Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to offboard employees in Google Workspace while maintaining data security. This process is essential for protecting your organization's information when someone leaves your team, so let's walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and head to admin.google.com. This brings you to the admin console, which is your central hub for managing all Google Workspace accounts. Once you're there, sign in using your administrator credentials. It's important that you're logged in as an admin, as standard users won't have access to these security features. After signing in, navigate to the directory section and click on Users. Here, you'll see a list of everyone in your organization. Use the search function to locate the departing employee's account. Once you've found them, click on their name to open their account details. Now comes a critical step. Click the Suspend User button to immediately prevent them from signing into their account. This action blocks access to all Google Workspace services instantly, which is your first line of defense in securing company data. The suspended status means they can't log in to Gmail, Drive, Calendar, or any other connected services. Next, you'll want to confirm that all service access is properly blocked. Check the user's account page to verify that Gmail, Drive, Calendar, and other services are no longer accessible. This ensures there are no gaps in your security measures. Remove the user from any groups and organizational units they belong to. This step is crucial because it eliminates any group-based permissions they may have inherited, preventing backdoor access to shared resources. For Drive files owned by the departing employee, you'll need to transfer ownership to someone else, typically their manager or a team member. Open Drive and use the share or transfer ownership options to reassign these files. Alternatively, you can move important documents to a shared drive so the team maintains access. If you need to preserve essential data for compliance or business continuity, export or transfer their Drive files, Gmail, and calendar entries to a designated archive account or administrator mailbox. This keeps everything organized and accessible to authorized personnel. To handle ongoing communications, set up email forwarding to another address or create a shared mailbox alias. You can also configure Gmail delegation if someone needs to manage their correspondence temporarily. Don't forget to review and revoke any OAuth tokens or third-party app connections the user had. This prevents external services from maintaining access to company data through their credentials. Finally, sign the user out from all active sessions and adjust any device management settings to release their access completely. This ensures they're logged out everywhere from their laptop to their phone. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.